remember the first time you come in? And that cat, and you're not living up, and you're not giving up, you have the same spirit, the same heart. Oh, yo, what want to do with it? You're sorry. I'm rewind about 3 times, and what I love, you attack same way, you're going same way. And it was amazing, right? But 876 streets come to end, answer, and just come to talk to you to say how you feel about that race.
Very good, man. I actually finished. That's the biggest part, because you know, realize is that the car finished and the car is strong.
The car looks beautiful. So, where you have power, but she's giving you that tail. She's giving you stepping out on you sometimes. No, that's slightly. Someone else say you are the new world both slightly.
No, it's slightly because the biggest thing is to understand a little bit. I probably my boy that follow here, it's understand up front. So I have to compensate. Once we can level that out, I will do some adjustment. I will see if we can level out the front. I'm going to level out the back.
Well, listen, it's always research and development, and that's what I'm proud of with what you're doing, because you're taking it to a level. And we can only walk through your mentorship to because you know we own some of these cars. Yes, oh my God, this is for you. What do you call it? Slightly? Was that said a little bit? Was that
get with that?
Is that a little bit?
Get with man.
Well, I'm trying to set you up and who the world never knew. It was the same application, both dedication in speed, it never fears you. So therefore you're comfortable with it, and that's what we're proud of. And that is what I'm saying to you, say, yo, hats off to you. Man driver. I only hope one day I'm done. I can actually come and walk with you. Hopefully, but I don't think I can reach in AE86. It's still walk to the better.
Can't talk, man. We can't talk.
New sponsor. New sponsor for World Boss. 876 Street.
Big up, man. Respect, man. Yo, this crazy, done.
I can't believe I never saw it.
Crazy.
You never saw it?
She didn't close, but not that close.
Nobody was that close, right?
Never.
No, but she good though.
No.
Well, you tell her she good. You never see her, but she make a good drive.
I tell you.
She make a good drive. She keep her in, and you, as you just get down back. Look, the whole crowd mash up. You never hear the crowd, you should hear the crowd. Boy, when you come in, you never realize how much people start getting around.
Yeah, I realize, man.
Because of the fight, you just want to your world, and you gathered up and just kept on pushing. You're the nice thing, and you're going to make the race, and that was the most exciting race. I'm just glad it ended up how it is. It's here.
MB after that, yo, give up on our
I tell him on the ear that it's not you in the car alone. It's your team that is root. All of them in the car with you. We're all in the car with you, researching and team grinding. We talk about it.
Yeah, but trust me, right now, reach a point where when the 3 4 years on the whole of it our park here, and we reach a point now where the development, we're on a point now where
and that is why I'm congratulations not only you as a driver, the team. And I see I have the support. And that is why I came out of the motorsports, because I didn't have that team. So no matter how much talent you have or how much money, if you don't have the team
and the sponsor,
and the people, and the sponsors, but still the team.
True, man. Trust me. They pull all the stuff.
One more time. I'm looking at all this. I'm looking at the blue from the back blue car.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.